Gumloop versus n8n, which AI automation tool is better for streamlining your workflows without complex setups? Both offer powerful automation but differ in ease of use and customization options. Gumloop and n8n AI-driven automation platforms designed to simplify tasks. The core difference lies in Gumloop's focus on intuitive AI workflow creation, while n8n offers extensive open-source customization and integration capabilities for developers. Gumloop is an AI automation platform that emphasizes user-friendly workflow automation with minimal coding. It uses AI to help users build and optimize automation sequences quickly, integrating with popular apps and services. Gumloop's strength lies in its simplicity and AI-powered suggestions, making it ideal for teams and individuals who want efficient automation without deep technical knowledge. It offers a clean interface and pre-built templates that speed up. However, Gumloop's customization options are somewhat limited compared to more developer-focused tools, which might restrict highly complex or niche workflows. Overall, Gumloop suits users prioritizing speed and ease, such as marketers, small business owners, and non-technical professionals looking to automate repetitive tasks with AI assistance. n8n is an open-source automation tool designed for users who need extensive customization and control. It provides a visual workflow editor that supports hundreds of integrations and enables complex automation scenarios. n8n's strength is its flexibility, allowing developers to create tailored workflows by connecting APIs and writing custom code when needed. It is self-hostable, offering full data privacy and control, which appeals to businesses with strict security requirements. However, n8n has a steeper learning curve and requires more technical expertise to unlock its full potential. This tool is ideal for developers, IT teams, and organizations that need powerful, customizable automation solutions and are comfortable managing infrastructure or integrating advanced logic. Gumloop and n8n cater to different user needs. Gumloop excels in quick, AI-assisted automation with a focus on ease of use, perfect for non-technical users or teams wanting fast deployment. In contrast, n8n offers unmatched flexibility and control, suitable for complex workflows and technical users who require open-source customization. For example, a marketing team automating routine tasks might prefer Gumloop for its simplicity, while a software company needing custom API integrations would benefit from n8n's developer-friendly environment. The trade-off is between ease and depth. Gumloop sacrifices some customization for speed, whereas n8n demands technical skill but delivers powerful, tailored automation. Choose Gumloop if you want AI-powered automation that's quick to set up and easy to use without needing coding skills or extensive customization. Opt for n8n if you need a highly customizable open-source platform with broad integration options and don't mind a steeper learning curve. Both tools excel, but your choice depends on whether ease or flexibility is your priority.